Hey, what's up guys? The waterfall display design as seen on the Vivo Nex 3 and Huawei Mate 30 Pro seems to be becoming a new trendy thing in the mobile realm. Whether it will be anything more than a trend, however, it is still up in the air at this point. There will be a big event on September 24 showcasing an ambitious new mixed handset with the company's own words over 100% screen to body ratio. Now this could be a waterfall display taken even further to the extreme enough to twist the calculation in such a way as to break the 100% mark. Rounding up some of the other whispers in the rumor mill regarding Xiaomi's upcoming announcements, we can expect to see the Qualcomm's top-of-the-line Snapdragon 855 powering the Mi Mix devices such as Mi Mix 4 or Mi Mix Alpha and Mi 9 Pro. The new Mi Mix might also be the first ambassador for Samsung's 108MP ISO cell bright HMX sensor and likely joined by the telephoto and an ultra-wide camera. As far as less convoluted and shrouded in the mystery devices, Xiaomi is expected to unveil Mi 9 Pro flagship, a complete with the 6.39-inch Super AMOLED as well as the vanilla one, the Snapdragon 855 chipset and a larger 4000 mAh battery. Also, likely support for the Xiaomi's new 30W Mi Charge Turbo wireless charging technology. Mi TV Pro and Mi UI 11 announcements are also expected at the September 24th event. So this is all about the renders of Mi Mix Alpha and some of the expected specification of Mi Mix series or Mi Mix Alpha and Mi 9 Pro. So if you like the video or whatever you feel or what you expect from these new phones from Xiaomi, please comment in the comment section and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.